What's the meaning of Ben Travers? Ben Travers. Ben Travers.
Ben Travers. Ben Travers. Ben Travers was an English playwright and theatre director who lived from 1886 to 1980. He is known for his contribution to the genre of farce in the early 20th century. Travers wrote many successful plays during his career, including Rookery Nook and Thark. His plays were characterized by their witty dialogue, fast-paced action, and clever plot twists. Travers also worked extensively as a journalist, writing pieces on everything from politics to theatre criticism. He was particularly influential in shaping the British theatre scene in the interwar years, and his legacy continues to be felt today.